Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Parallel.
What does the dictionary say?
Extending in the same direction, equidistant at all points, and never converging or diverging.
Math rap.
When it comes to parallels and lines, remember one thing. The lines run the same distance apart, never touching, like the two rails that are used by a train. They can go on for miles, but will always be the same.
Math rap.
What do you have if you have two copies of the 12th letter of the alphabet? Parallels. Find a parallel hidden in the word parallel. Explain parallel in your own words. What kind of real examples can you find around you that have parallels? What job can you have where you work all day on a parallel? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!